Alright guys, this is a video. Golly, I regret it. Video I definitely don't want to be making, but dude, my bumper is there's no way this just happened. I hit a raccoon, guys. I'm driving and literally the raccoon came out of nowhere. There was nothing I could do. He literally jumped in front of my car and I smacked the f out of him. Dude, look at this, bro. No way. There's literally no way. My lip is off. I mean, thankfully I could just put it back on. But the actual grill was, bro. There's literally nothing I could have done. Oh my god. He literally jumped in front of my car, bro. Dude, my bumper's even, is it loose? No. Oh, it is kind of loose. Raccoon, bro. And I did turn around and it looked like he was okay, kind of limping, but I mean, at least I didn't kill him. I'm gonna have to just smack this thing down somehow. Get it off of here. Damn, bro. I'm just trying to get home from the gym. And this shit happens. Let me use my flashlight so I can take this off. Damn, bro. There's no way this just happened. I was not on my phone. I was just driving out of nowhere. He literally just came out of nowhere, bro. Like, crossed the street literally at the worst time possible. Boom. I thought my lip was just my whole bumper is. Damn, bro. In my, I don't know how many years of driving, this has never happened to me. What the f? Alright, guys. Left where I was at. Pulling up to the gas station by my house. Just to see this damage and better lighting. Oh my god, bro. My sensors are gone. This one's still intact, thankfully. Oh damn, this one's like kind of loose though, or whatever. I mean, thankfully, I guess it's not too crazy. This thing is loose. If only I had like 3-inch intakes, I really wouldn't care. I mean, the intake will be showing, but damn it, bro. It all happened so fast. Like I said, I was not on my phone before. I know somebody's gonna probably be like, oh, he was on his phone, he was distracted. I was literally driving and he came out of nowhere, bro. Like out of nowhere. He was like dipping and he stopped in front of my car and I hit him. You know how like when a cat crosses the road, he just like dips and like crosses the car? Nah, this motherfucker was dipping and he stopped in front of my car. I hit the brakes hard as hell and I mean, I still hit him. But I mean, this is all materialistic. I don't care. Even though that's an animal, I mean, I'm glad that he didn't die because I did see him kind of running in my rearview mirror. I might have seen him limping, but I mean, at least he didn't die. I hope he's okay. I know he's just an animal, but I mean, it's fucked up. But other than that, I think it's not too bad, I guess. Right when I was really loving this car, bro, this happens. But I mean, I'm just glad I'm okay. Like I said, the animal's okay, I think, and it's fixable. Damn, bro, it is a really sucky situation because I mean, there's nothing I could have done. Even if I would have sorted out the way, I would have hit him. It all happened way too fast. There was no space for me to react or like swerve out of the way. There was nothing for me to do. But whatever's. I'm gonna go home, park this thing in the garage, and they need the Z probably because I'm not driving my car like this. So yeah, the Z is the daily again. So let's go home and go to sleep because I'm honestly tired. I was just trying to get home from the gym, bro. Literally, I was coming home from the gym, tired, trying to go to sleep, and this happens. Whatever, let's go home. Real one. So I told my girl what happened and she went on offer up and actually looked for the bottom grill. I didn't even get a chance to even look for it. It's like $60, so I mean, I'm just grateful the bumper's still there and this is like a small little fix, but I'm hoping I could fix those sensors. It's not too expensive. It shouldn't be too expensive. But look, now the car geeks out. Whenever I come to a stop or like slow down, the sensor will like activate. Watch. I'll make this stop. of geeks out. But whatever. I mean, I'm just grateful that, like I said, I'm okay. It wasn't that serious of a thing. It's crazy, bro. Like, out of my, I don't know how many years of driving, I've never hit an animal. I've always dodged them, or just thankfully never been in that situation. But today was the day. But at least there's no blood on my bumper, so I don't think he was that hurt. I hope he wasn't. But enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and grab some sleep, and I'll pick this camera up tomorrow. Well, on the bright side, the lip is still here. I didn't lose this lip.
The next day.
Alright guys, it's now the next day. Time to see his damage in the light. Damn. I mean, honestly, I kind of feel like I overreacted just a little bit last night. It's not too bad, but I mean, it is kind of. So, by the looks of it, obviously I gotta replace the grill. I don't know if anything else broke behind there. The sensor. I hope that's not too expensive, bro. That's the thing with these newer cars. They have a lot of technology, so like, it's not just a simple little fix sometimes. I should have just got another Z. Would have just got another bumper or another little grill and called it a day. But now, I have this little technology to worry about. But anyways, enough of all that. This happened. I gotta just deal with it. Like I said, thankfully it's not too expensive. I think I'll find like a grill for like, I don't know, like 40, 60 bucks, something like, or somewhere around there. So it's not too horrible. Thankfully the bumper's still good, the lights are still good, everything's still pretty good. But anyways, like I said yesterday, so since this car it's not down, but it's like this, I'm gonna be dailying this car again. So right now we're going to head to the gym and we're gonna take the race car. And it's only right before we leave to bless you guys with a little cold start. Right side, we get to hear turbo noises. Oh man, this never gets old. Oh, by the way, I do have gas. Just that my gas gauge likes to act up sometimes. Oh yeah, by the way, if you guys heard that little rattle on my cold start, something in my exhaust is kind of loose. And on top of that, I have a exhaust leak, so I'm not hitting full boost. I'm telling you guys, if it's not one thing, it's another with these cars, bro. I mean, it is what it is, I guess. But on the bright side, I can still make boost noises. Bro, I'll tell you why I pull up to the gym. There's a Mark IV Supra on a Ford drag pack in the parking lot. I think that's the one I seen at the meet last time too. Yeah, it is the same one that I seen at the meet. Damn, that's bad. So we made it to the gym. We already finished the pre-workout. Now we're just waiting a little bit for it to hit, and we're gonna go inside and hit some legs today. So I haven't really said this on the channel, I don't think, or anywhere really on my social media, but I'm actually down like 20 pounds, and I want to say a little bit less than a month. I want to say, or a month. So yeah, I'm cutting. I'm trying to lose weight. And so far so good. I'm off to a great start, but I still have a lot of work to do. But as of right now, we're gonna go inside, hit these legs, and I'll catch you guys once I'm out. All right guys, we're out the gym. It's funny, where I hit the Raccoon was literally up this street right here, and that's where I have pulled over. Like literally across the street from my gym. But anyways, we are out the gym, headed home now. Your boy is officially down 20 pounds as of today, bro, in just 25 days. Pretty crazy, but you can do if you stick to a diet and pretty much a good weight training program. If you guys are considering getting to the gym, losing some weight, do it, bro. I feel so much better than I did before, and I'm nowhere near where I want to be. So time to keep it pushing because the job is not done. Snack pack. That told me. She's singing. Alright guys, we made it back home. Thankfully without hitting a raccoon this time. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here so I can go inside and, like I said, edit this video for you guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, I guess. I didn't enjoy it, but it is what it is. Thankfully, like I said, it's nothing major. I feel like I kind of over exaggerated yesterday, but still a very sucky situation. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.